Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you Saskatoon. Saskatoon, sorry. Saskatoon from Saskatchewan. So, wait, so icy, slippery. Yeah. I'm spinning out. Easy on the accelerator, yeah? Nice and steady. So I'm going to block the Why the roads inside of the cities in Canada are that bad and outside not? Why? Comment down below if you know. Where is traffic and loads of hazards, they are not cleaning the roads.
In 200 meters, take the Trans-Canada Highway, Saskatchewan 16 West exit.
Saskatchewan, they are not spreading salt and sand, I heard, yeah? Yeah.
Take the Trans-Canada Highway exit.
So I came to a safe stop. Now let's start easily. Come on, guy, go.
Turn right at the traffic light.
So now I'm going to turn right on my way to Edmonton on Highway 12 North, yeah? Highway 16 actually.
Merge onto Saskatchewan 11 North, Saskatchewan 12
keep it
North.
steady, easy, yeah. Like that. Safety first. Better easy, slowly than to regret after, yeah? That I did some foolish accident. So, let's see.
In 2 kilometers, take the exit on the left to Highway 16 West toward the Battlefords.
I'm smoking, the truck is smoking. I'm not happy about that.
In 1.5 kilometers, take
The
the exit
exhaust.
on the left to Highway 16
Probably
West
the
toward
exhaust.
the Battlefords.
Ay. That is bad news for my DEF filter. Yeah. DEF filter, I might get it clogged because of that smoke.
In 600 meters, slide left onto Saskatchewan 16 West. Signs for Trans-Canada
So
Highway.
I'm going to go on Saskatchewan 16 West.
Take the exit on the left to Highway 16 West toward the Battlefords.
Toward Battlefords.
Take the next left.
So stay with me, like, subscribe, and I hope that I'm not going to show you some breakdown. Yeah.
Continue on Saskatchewan 16 West for 129 kilometers.
Sometimes when I'm pressing the accelerator, the exhaust is smoky, and that's bad news. Let's see now. When the engine it's pushed to the maximum, I don't have any light on, so hopefully I'm okay. I am going to be okay. Yes. I'm not happy about that, but stay with me to see if I'm going to be okay. So I'm out from Saskatoon now, 522 kilometers to go to Edmonton. I'm going to be there in 5 hours. If everything is going to be okay. But the roads in Saskatoon are not that good. Actually, they are a bit of a mess. So slippery because they are not spreading salt and sand, or I think I can see some sand, but I think there is no salt, yeah? What do you think about Saskatchewan? They are spreading salt or just sand? Please comment down below if you know. Don't shoot me if I don't. But it is what it is, yeah? Let's see now when I'm starting from, if I'm going to be smoky, the exhaust. I'm going to have some smoke on the exhaust. Boy, so slippery. So slippery, guys. I was spinning like hell. Although I didn't press the accelerator. Just I slightly touched the accelerator, and still I was spinning. So no smoke on the exhaust. No smoke on the exhaust yet. So fingers crossed. Hopefully it will stay like this. Watching my gauges, everything looks fine. No problems with the temperature from the oil. The axles temperature are okay. The temperature of the engine is okay. The oil pressure is okay. So I think the exhaust is smoky. Because of the cold temperatures, I idled a bit the truck, and happens, yeah? So, take care, stay with me, like, subscribe, share, and press the notification bell, and you will see what will going to happen. If will going to happen something, hopefully not. Take care, bye bye.